So my word today is collaboration. I do think it's the way forward. It's better to collaborate than to compete or be in competition. And it's also coming from a place of abundance rather than scarcity. And I'll carry on explaining why.
Kindness and compassion is the way to go. The future is creating with intention and not expectation. The future is putting people over politics and pursuing a better society. I understand that we're here for just a moment in the infinity of life, and it's a choice of how to be. So as I enjoy my time in nature, connecting with the breath, connecting with the cold, and just having that self-empowerment. And then I reflect on my journey in the Wim Hof world. And it's a simple matter of people being together with open hearts and open minds. Just the breath, the cold is so powerful. And I witness people relaxing together, and that's when the magic happens. So that's when I think the future is collaboration. We all have choices. Time to grow spiritually. Time to start something new. Time to do things together and see where it goes. And how wonderful is that?